Gurukul Yatra, Episode 3 is about the logo of Gurukul Academy. The logo of Gurukul Academy comprises of an open book, the rising sun, and a quote, Tamso Ma Jyotirgamay. Open book signifies education, knowledge, learning, and wisdom. Knowledge enlightens, elevates from human infirmities, and leads to self-actualization. Rising sun signifies lightening the darkness of the world. It represents life, influence, strength, and symbolizes energy, will, and being clear. Tamso Ma Jyotirgamay means from darkness lead me to light. Symbolically, it means lead me to enlightenment from ignorance created by my actions, thoughts, and understanding. Tamso Ma Jyotirgamay is taken from Shanti Mantra in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, which is one of the oldest Upanishads. The complete mantra is Om Asto Ma Sadgamay, Tamso Ma Jyotirgamay, Mrityo Ma Amritam Gamay, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. In Hindi language this means हम असत्य से सत्य की ओर जाएं, अंधकार से प्रकाश की ओर जाएं, मृत्यु से अमरता की ओर जाएं। हम असत्य में हैं, अतः हमें सत्य चाहिए। हम अज्ञान अंधकार में हैं, अतः हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी चाहिए। हम मृत्यु के भय में डूबे हुए हैं, अतः हमें अमरता चाहिए। And in English language it means from ignorance lead me to truth, from darkness lead me to light, from death lead me to immortality. Om, peace, peace, peace. The logo of Gurukul Academy truly reflects its spirit of being enlightened, being full of energy and strength, and being able to come out victorious, facing every odd with courage. Being enlightened is being insightful and open-minded. Enlightened person is able to see the world with greater clarity, without attachment to preconceived ideas about people, places, and things. We pray the divine spirits may their divinity continue to shower their blessings on every Gurukul child, to be enlightened, to be courageous, and to be self-actualized. We thank them to bless, to guide, and to enlighten us to come up with such a divine logo of Gurukul Academy that communicates the true essence of education, and with this we dedicate ourselves on his feet. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.